First, open your web browser and go to the official Ideogram AI website. Once the website loads, look for the option to sign in or get started. Ideogram AI is an online creative platform, so you don't normally need to install a separate desktop application to access its main features. Click the appropriate option to enter the platform. If you already have an Ideogram AI account, choose the sign-in option and enter your account details. After signing in, you should be taken to the main Ideogram workspace. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to complete the registration process before you can fully use the platform. Once you have access, explore the main interface and look for the image generation feature. You can start by creating a simple test image. Enter a short prompt describing what you want to generate, then start the generation process. When the result appears, you'll know that your account has successfully accessed the main creative workspace. If you don't see a specific feature, remember that Ideogram's interface, available tools, and account options can change over time. Some features may also depend on your current plan or account availability. If you're having trouble accessing Ideogram, first check your internet connection and make sure you're using the official website. You can also refresh the page, try another supported browser, or sign out and sign back in if necessary. Avoid unofficial websites that claim to provide special or unauthorized Ideogram access. Once you successfully reach the workspace, you're ready to start creating AI-generated images and exploring Ideogram's creative tools. And that's how you can access Ideogram AI in 2026.